Hello everybody, welcome back here to our project in Westchester. We're on the third floor of the house, and if you saw the video before, you can see this is the property with the water damage, and this is the bathroom that we just did. As you can see, it's a complete transformation, just like I promised. We replaced the bathtub. We have a brand new bathtub. We put a nice custom shower or bathtub enclosure. We have towels, we have ceiling towels all the way on the top. Look how wonderful this one thing looks. We replaced the window. We got a brand new window, that's a Pella 450 series window with frosted tempered glass. We have a quartz set on the shower. What else we did here? Yes, you can see that we have towel. We have the subway towel on the wall and a smaller version of subway towel because we wanted to actually have this bend on the ceiling, being able to cover up the entire bathtub area with the ceramic towel. We replaced the toilet. We have a brand new toilet. We did the floor, nice floor, beautiful. What else we did here? We put the towels on the wall, as you can see. We have towels on the wall. We installed a pedestal, new lights. We have a recessed cabinet. We have a recessed medicine cabinet here with a mirror, prime and paint, and basically that's all you can do in this place. Of course, we changed the shower diverter and everything else, updated the plumbing, electric. It looks wonderful. Okay? So, well, thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.